Hello everyone, I'm by names of Ayebare Innocent, a student at BSU, Year 3, Semester 2. I'm going to handle a question that is displayed on the screen. Question A reads, using QuickBooks or Tare accounting software, create a company in the names of Mark Traders Company Limited, whose reporting currency is in Ugandan shillings. I'm starting by creating a company. Detailed start. So we are going to create a company name, which is Mark Traders. Mark Traders Company Limited. We are adding the street. It's P.O. Box 24. It's P.O. Box 234. Sorry. It's 234. The city we are in is Barara City. So email address, it's mark@african online. It's mark at Africa online. So we press next. It's automotive or repair. Then next. So we have to click in sole proprietorship. Then next, and the physical year starts. Next. I'm saving by my name, Ayebare Innocent. Save. We wait for it to load. As it has finished to load, let's go next. We click in both services and products. Then we press next as recommended. Yes. We select yes, then next, recommended, yes. We select yes, we have to, then we press yes, next again. The fiscal year begins. Next. We go to startup. We are going to start working. must load. So we are going to start handling the question. We go to files. Sorry, we go to edit. Then preference. Go to multiple preferences. Then the company preferences. Yes, you accept. So we are going to use the currency, change the currency to. We are going to change the currency to Ugandan shillings. View more currencies. So you select Ugandan shillings and make it active. Yes. So press OK. Have the change done. Then I'm going back to edit and I remove the warnings that might affect the future transactions. So we go to preferences again. We go to accounting, company preferences. Then warning, if you inactivate it, then you press OK. So we are going back to our word to read the question part B. The company operates a bank account number 950011 in a Centenary Bank and also operates a petty cash book. So back to our quick book, we go to charts of account. Let's maximize. We go to accounts. We create a new account. And of course we are going to use bank. So we press continue. So account name is Centenary Bank. So we press Centenary Bank. Centenary Bank. Description. We use the account number, it's 950011. The opening balance, it's not given. You go to date, the starting date. So as we are done, we press OK. So we save and renew. So it also operates petty cash. It's petty cash. Petty cash. Sorry, petty cash. So we press opening balance, it's not given. We put the date and press OK. Save and close. Go back to our word. The company's customer and their balances are as at 1st January 2023 were as follows. The first customer is called Camo Traders. We go back to our quick book. We press customers, customer center. So it's called Camel Traders, opening balance, date, press Ctrl V, then OK. Press another customer. Put in the date, Ctrl V, then press OK. We go back to our word. So Peter Dan Munene Auto Dealers, and he has an opening balance of 1 million. So press new customers. It's called Munene Auto Dealers. His opening balance is 1 million. And we put in the date. So we are going to put in the date. So we press OK. We go to new customer. Let's go and read the following customers. Class motor spare with a balance of 800,000. It's called Class motor spare with a balance of 800,000. And the date goes as follows. Then we press OK. We go back to see our following customer. The company's suppliers are there and their balances are as at 1st January 2023 were as follows. The first supplier is Ayebare Sisters with an opening balance of 1,700,000. We go to vendors, vendor center, press a new vendor, it's called Ayebare Sisters. Ayebare Sisters with the opening balance of 1,700,000 and the date. So we press OK and move to the next. So another vendor we are going to is called Masaka Traders with an opening balance of 1,500,000. It's called Masaka Traders, opening balance of it is 1,500,000. The date, we put the date. So we continue. So another supplier is Madra Importers Madra importers, new vendor. It's called Madra importers. No opening balance, we put the date. So we press OK and move. The inventory item were as follows as at the 1st January 2023. Motorcycle units, motorcycles, so we press the inventory activities. We go back home. New inventory item. Inventory item name is called motorcycles. Single. Then we press next. Count. Then we go next. Then others. Then we press next. So units, we are going to put in it's units, abbreviation U, then we finish. It's IV001. It's IV001. Cost per unit, it's 4 million. 4 million. Selling price per unit, which is 4.8. It's 4,800,000. Then we go to income account, the sales. Go to date. Press OK. Another item is called generator. It's called a generator. It's IV002. IV002. Then cost price is 2,700,000. The selling price is 3,500,000. Then income account, sales put in 6. We change the date, then we press OK. So another item, it is called oil liters. So new item is inventory item, is called oil. Unit item, you need to add in new because oil is in liters. See, volume. Then next we go to liters, then we finish. So the description is IV003. It's IV003. It's 10,000. Put in 16. Okay. So income account, we go to sales and on. Put in liters, then we change the date, then we press OK. Another item is servicing. No item, the description is IV003 004. Selling price 30,000. So we change the type, we put in service, then after item name is servicing. Servicing doesn't know. It's IV004. IV004. Rate is 30,000. Account, you add a new, and we put in service. Save and close, then press OK. So we are going to, on additional informations, it is saying the following transaction took place in the month of January 2023. 2nd January, he deposited Ugandan shillings 40 million into the bank account. So what we are going to do, we are going into chances of account. Then we go to make a general journal entries. So after that, we click here and we enter the date, the 2nd January. Account is Centenary Bank, which is here. So he deposited 40 million, and then there we debit. We go here, we add a new, press equity and continue. Account name is Capital. Then save and close. Save and new. Another transaction, 3rd January, withdrew 10 million from the bank for business youth. We come back here, we change the date, which is 3rd. We put in 3rd of January. Then we debit, withdraw the money from the bank for business use. That means we debit petty cash with 10 million. Then we credit Centenary Bank. So we go and save and we add a new. So another transaction is 3rd. He obtained a 5-year bank loan worth 100 million. So the bank loan, we add there 100 million. Then we credit, we add a new. So it was loan, we continue. Account name, we put loan. Save and close. Then, so as we are done with the other part, we go to the 4th of January, where he sold 5 motorcycles and 3 generators, and the cash was banked immediately. So let's go back to our page, to our quick book. We go back home. So we create sales, and it was carried out on 4th, and the cash it was received. So the item were motorcycles. So motorcycles, they were 5. So another one we go, it was generate, another item is generator, where he sold 3. So we press save and close. So we are going to record deposits. So we press OK, save and close. So another transaction on 6th January bought 100 liters of engine oil and the vendor was not provided. That means we are going to add another vendor. So we are going to add a vendor by names of Katambi. We add a new vendor. Sorry, Katambi. Katambi. Press OK. So item that was purchased, oil, and the liters were 100. So we save and close. So we are going to receive inventories. Receive inventory with the bill. And vendor Katambi. Yes. And press OK. Save and close. Another transaction, 7th January, bought 8 motorcycles by check from Kaware Sisters Limited and made half payment. So another purchase order was obtained from a vendor, Kaware Sisters. Date, it was 7th. Item were motorcycles and number was 8. Save and renew. So we are going to receive inventory with a bill, vendor Kaware Sisters. Yes, it was made first on 7th January. Close. Save and close. So we are going back to our question. On 7th, bought 8 motorcycles paid by check to Kaware Sisters Limited and made a half payment. So we are going on pay bills. Then we select Kaware motorcycles. As it was said, he paid half, so we edit this to 16. Press selected bill. Then we say it's done. Then 10th January sold 10 liters of 10 liters of engine oil and saved and serviced 5 generators. So we create sales, cash, date was 10th, item name is oil, where he sold 10 liters, and here servicing, he serviced 5 generators, 5, save and close. So we record deposits. We are going to receive deposits. Okay, we change this account to, we add a new, it was by cash. Save and close. Okay, save and close. So another question, 11th January sold 6 of the motorcycles and 2 generators for each, for cash to Mona Auto Dealers. Create invoice. Customer name is, we add a new, it's called Mona Auto Dealers. Mona Auto Dealers. Press OK. Date was 11th. Six motorcycles and 2 generators. We go back to our quantity. There are 2 generators. We save and close. Receive payments. From Mona Auto Dealers. Yes, it was cut. So for the 2 discount part, we go to discount. So discount allowed, shift 8, we put in the amount. We press enter. Then we change that. We add a new. Expenses. So it is discount allowed. Save and close. It's done. Record. Okay. Save and close. 12 on 12th of January, cleared Massacre's traders debit by cash. Go to pay bills. It was Massacre Traders. He used the cash to clear. It was on 12th. Pay selected bill. Done. So we are going to, as we continue from where we had stopped, we are going to another section of expenses. So as we go back to our quick book, we go to charts of account. So after we right click and we make general journals. So after that we change the date, and we make it we add the new. We are selecting expenses, we continue. After continue, the account name is fuel. Then save and close. We put the amount, we debit the amount of 600,000. So another expense is we add a new expense, then you continue. The another one is account name is rent. After that we save and close. Then we debit its amount of 200,000. Then another expense, it's a new expense, we add a new, then expenses, continue. Then account name is office cleaning. Office cleaning. Then we save and close. We debit its amount to 220,123. Another expense, add the new, which goes as expenses, then continue. It is electricity. Then save and close. We debit its amount, which is 480. New expense, add a new expense, which is it is advertising. Save and close. We put the amount, another expense is we add a new, which is audit fees. Save and close. Another expense is electricity. So all expenses were made by. So we are going to save and renew. So after the expenses, we are going to add in the 25th January salary worth Uganda shillings emitwaro eshatu. Was paid each to Amanda and Katati. was 25th. Expense, new, even expense. So we are on expenses. We continue and we put in the account name is salary. So we save and close. So we debit. The amount is 300 and it was paid to Amanda as an employee. First name is Amanda. Okay. So another person, account name is salary. Amount is 200 and it was paid to Katate. Then you add a new employee. Okay. Then it's called Katate. You leave it as it is. So here we credit cash. So we are going to our question, which was Uganda shillings 500,000 was withdrawn from the bank for private use. So we go to banking, we transfer funds, from bank, from Centenary Bank to, we add a new, we go to equity, then you continue, put drawings, then save and close. Transfer amount was 500,000. Then we save and close. So bought a computer for office use at 2 million. We go home, we make a purchase, a vendor, drawing pointers, bought item name was we add a new, then it was a fixed asset name was computer. We add a new, account name is computer. We save and close. It was for office use. Date, then the cost was 2 million. It was 2 million. Then okay, you save and close. Then we receive inventory with the bill, vendor, module importers. Okay, receive it and press OK. You save and close it. So finally, I'm going to show my profit and loss reports and statements of financial position. So we are going to reports, then profit and loss standards, so you display them all. As you can see, the net income is 10,994,000. Then the balance sheet standard, and total assets is 219 million. Then 219,494,000. So that's all for today. I remain Ayebare Innocent. Direct number 23 BSU BBA 2416. Thank you.